Mr. Beast just upgraded to the new iPhone 17 Pro Max, and let's just say he didn't pick this phone for fun. When the world's biggest YouTuber makes a tech switch, it means something special is coming. Let's check it out. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, or should we call it the iPhone 17 Ultra, is Apple's most premium phone in the 2025 lineup, along with the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and the new super slim iPhone 17 Air. This year's lineup is all about power and style. Triple 48MP cameras, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, plus a 24MP selfie shooter across all models. Mr. Beast filming in 8K? No problem. The Pro Max is made for creators who need the best image quality out there. The new rectangular camera layout moves the LiDAR and flash to the right, giving it a sleeker, smarter look. And under the hood, expect the latest A19 Bionic chip, faster performance, and all-day battery life that actually means all day. Apple's keeping the premium pricing. In India, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected at Rupee 164,900. The Pro sits around Rupee 139,900, while the new iPhone 17 Air could be priced near Rupee 99,900. But here's the thing, with Mr. Beast setting trends and Apple dropping this design refresh, this phone isn't just a gadget, it's a statement. If you're into photography, vlogging, or flexing the latest tech, the iPhone 17 Ultra is calling your name. So, would you upgrade like Mr. Beast? Or stick to your current phone? Backend index pointing down, comment below and hit that subscribe button for more epic updates like this.